back with another one, man. Back with my daily, back with my EDC, back with my everyday carry, dog. Yo, you know what I'm saying? You know I keep that thing loaded. You know I keep it loaded. Don't even play, but for the video, I just keep it like this, you know what I'm saying? Safe environment, controlled environment, aimed another way. Ain't nobody over there. I'm in the whip. Feel me? But yeah. Man, why I'm so addicted to carrying this? I don't know why. Y'all tell me. These things are real nice, man. I be wanting to carry my other ones, but this my bag gun, and I don't be wanting nothing to get so dirty. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. You know, I put an FMJ, then I goddamn got the hollows. You feel me? You feel me? Or is you feeling me? You feel me or you feeling me? There you go. But yeah, FMJ, then hollow tip. Yeah, man. I need the GS4 ASAP, man, so I can carry that, so I can put this up in the trophy cabinet with the rest. But overall, it's still holding me up. I don't never have no issues with it. A lot of people just, they be on my neck about this gun, dog. Why? I don't know. Price of a gun don't really mean nothing, man. Just get a gun and shoot it, you feel me? Get a gun and shoot it, dog. Some places Glocks be cheap too, so I don't understand where the prices be coming from when people be trying to like say, oh, that's a cheap gun, man. It's gonna fail on you, man. I trust my life with this, man. Chill out. I ain't gonna say another word, but you know what I'm saying? Chill out, man. Just enjoy giving the world some nice content, man. Nice quality and time. But yeah, I'm here today just to say Taurus over everything. You don't like it, inbox me. We here, we outside. We outside, man. I ain't really got too much to say. Just want to show off something nice. Feel me?